Explanation of the financial calculations for monthly and quarterly compounding in 2023, incorporating the feedback provided. Book for your library and Python programs for the result, shown in video. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Scenario. Principal amount, 550,000 Indian rupees. Annual interest rate, 7.5%. Time period, financial year 2023, Jan to Dec. Monthly compounding. 1. Calculate monthly interest rate. Yearly interest rate / number of months in a year. 7.5% / 12 equals 0.625% per month. 2. Initialize variables. Principal, starting principal 550,000 Indian rupees. Total _monthly _interest, 0 Indian rupees, accumulator for total interest. Monthly _interest _history, list to store monthly interest values, optional. 3. Iterate for 12 months. Python. For month in range, 1, 13. Monthly _interest equals principal * 0.625 / 100. Principal plus equals monthly _interest. Total monthly _interest plus equals monthly _interest. Hashtag optional, store monthly interest for each month. If monthly _interest _history. Monthly _interest _history. Append, monthly _interest. 4. Calculate total monthly interest. Total monthly interest, after the loop. Quarterly compounding. 1. Calculate quarterly interest rate. Yearly interest rate / number of quarters in a year. 7.5% / 4 equals 1.875% per quarter. 2. Initialize variables, similar to monthly. Principal, 550,000 Indian rupees. Total quarterly interest, 0 Indian rupees. Quarterly interest history, list to store quarterly interest values, optional. 3. Iterate for 4 quarters. Python. For quarter in range, 1, 5. Quarterly interest equals principal * 1.875 / 100. Principal plus equals quarterly interest. Total quarterly interest plus equals quarterly interest. Hashtag optional, store quarterly interest for each quarter. If quarterly interest history. Quarterly interest history. Append, quarterly interest. 4. Calculate total quarterly interest. Total quarterly interest, after the loop. Results. Monthly compounding total interest, approximately 42,697.93 Indian rupees, may vary slightly due to rounding differences. Quarterly compounding total interest, approximately 42,424.73 Indian rupees, may vary slightly due to rounding differences. Difference, approximately 273.20 Indian rupees, monthly interest is higher. Explanation. Monthly compounding calculates interest more frequently, leading to a slightly higher total interest earned over the year compared to quarterly compounding. This is because the interest earned in each month is added to the principal, which increases the base amount for calculating interest in subsequent months. Key points. The provided values match the expected results for monthly and quarterly compounding. The difference in total interest is relatively small, around 0.6%, but demonstrates the impact of compounding frequency. Consider using a programming language Python library to automate these calculations for larger datasets or more complex scenarios. Thank you.